let's go.
Jump in.
Let's do.
Are you rolling?
Yeah.
Hi,
What's the date? 15th of the 2nd.
We've got 15th of the 2nd.
Time is... It's only 1:30.
I think last week was the 8th, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Was that mighty?
A few old cars on there. It will be when we look at it in 10 years' time, yeah?
1992. That's the year. Do you film me in this better, eh? Film it.
Yeah. Good evening.
It's doing the interview. Here we have a good go. Now, we swap the cameras in mid-motion. Here we go.
Covers my embarrassment.
Is it? What's the name? It says Mark Friedson. Why ones? Let's have a go.
Oh, where are we at?
So we're doing the same for the BBC.
What, of a little Sanyo video recorder?
These fucking £1,000 things, don't they, so we go. Alright. It's good, mate. Here we go. That's okay.
Hang on.
Now we have a go and fill you in. What's that? God's sake, how are you doing?
Hello!
I didn't want to look at the camera.
What's that
Someone
equals?
there. Look, she's coming over there. Oh, we're done.
Oh.
She's a nice bird.
It's not coming over here, shit.
It's coming over there. Alright.
Can you give us a hand?
What's that?
I should have recorded that.
You can record it,
Where'd
eh?
she come out there? What, escort?
No, she kind of...
Where'd she come from?
Could have been worse saying.
Fucking worth saying. Come on, damn it. All she wants is just to get her own way.
Let's have a quick go. Let me film you.
Nothing. Still recording, right?
Yeah, so I won't drop. I've got it. I've got it, man. Trust me.
Trust you. I've heard that before.
It's Tottenham.
What did she say?
Tottenham.
Tottenham?
Near Aldershot, you see. That's quite a way, isn't it?
That's in Farnborough. That's That's right near no Farnborough.
Well, no farm, man.
Aldershot is the home of the British Army.
It's weird. She just come up to me, man.
You said she's coming home. She's coming home.
I don't know what she said. I thought she sounded foreign.
Yeah.
I think she takes to Guildford.
What did I say? She thought she said Wiltshire.
Yeah, I think she takes in the town centre with us. We have a laugh.
Hey?
Let's take this with her. It's camera, can't we? Have a laugh.
You take it then.
Yeah, right. Can't we?
Pause.
I'll film you shutting the door. Keys are in the
Keys?
door. They're on the door there. Hang on. Hello.
We'll move for you if you...
No, it's all right, we're
how long are you stopping here?
quite a few hours. We're doing a bit of shopping in Guildford.
Oh, are you? Oh, no.
It's alright to park here because the yellow line goes up there. Like.
There, I see.
Yeah, she's right there.
Am I in?
The outskirts of Guildford town. We're just going to have to do a bit of shopping by the Pet Shop Boys.
Let's walk, eh?
We're in Denmark Road at the moment.
Do you walk?
Shout. The State Gardens down over. State Gardens.
Chart Downs?
No, Eastgate Gardens.
Oh. Pause. Nighty nighty. Enter. Let's enter. You're gonna go in. Go into report.
In.
Them up, mate.
In.
Well, mate. Where's that? Right. Isn't that the toilet? Here we have service. What are you getting, Wednesday?
Chicken sandwich and small fries.
Chicken sandwich? Are you alright? Super disgusting. Change.
Can I help anyone here, please?
We right now, alright, Wednesday?
Oh, I don't know.
How far can I go there?
Just enjoying the MacDonald feast.
Exactly where are we? Can we explain? I'm just going to look
If
around.
you go out here, right? You turn left,
Yeah,
and then turn left again. You're outside McDonald's,
right,
right?
yeah.
I want chicken sandwich. The few fries.
I mean, look, we're on sort of like some gates here, look.
Dan, go to the Freddie Mercury Remembrance concert.
I don't think I will. No, I don't know, no, I doubt. You thinking of going?
Ta-da!
That girl, I can walk in here. Quite turned off, get turned on in situations. Turns you on, doesn't it? Do you get an erection?
No.
Not at all. I did actually. Started to come alive.
Ah!
Things going through my mind. How far back can I go?
A bit further.
They call me Dr. Love. Right, pause. I'm not too close, I'm far back, so it's not really too dirty.
That's heavy, bro. Ready to rock? Ready?
Yeah. Kids alive too, man.
No, it's the 097. No, she's paid £5.
Yeah.
She's paid £5. Okay, and it's £2.99. Okay.
Do you know what's called then? down jump.
You got tracks like that. And you got tracks like that. Jason Donovan live. That made me laugh.
I feel a bit ridiculous. Are you self-conscious?
Nah.
Oh, that's all we're looking. Well, they are looking, but... Where are we going now? HMV?
Nah. Going off licence. And then Dixon's.
Window.
Oi, lens cap, bro. Get out of here. We're still in the brickwork here. Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Hello. Hello.
Dambo. Dambo.
Dembo, is that what you said? Hello, Dembo. What's time? Date? 15th of February.
Situation.
Situation. Winter, darling. Oh, winter. What's that? Alright, it's windy, isn't it?
Yeah.
We are at Guildford. Situation Guildford.
Oh, it's fucking freezing.
I'm gonna get one over. Hello, Weasel. On the floor. Yeah.
Difference. Yeah?
Don't block 10, what?
Probably. You have to send me out. Hello, how are you? All right? Yeah. Wow, here we are. And we are
Back road.
to
Bear Green. Once you're on the test run, he really spun it round here.
Who did?
Like, it really screeched the tyre.
It's gripping alright.
Seriously?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
hello, car. Hi. Hold on, baby. Right,
How are you?
Saturday the 15th of February, 1992. I was thinking of 1991s. You know, it seems like,
Same here. You're not the only one.
yeah, 1992s. Another year's flat. Alright. 1990 seems quite a while ago now to me. What about you?
Yeah.
You think of it, it's 2 years ago. Well, we are pulling out at the top of Mill Lane onto the A24 bypass.
Hospital traffic.
It's quite a hefty road.
Come out then, but...
nerves are like they used to be.
They used to be. Okay, if you please. Do a 060 test one time. There we go, 060. You could do it in 10 seconds. Got 60 now. Right? Yeah, big green white bars. You like that?
Yeah, relaxing actually.
Yeah. I'm just filming it here. I think we have to film that accident.
No, come on, shush me.
Right, we're on our own, Dan. I've always got Clark. What's the speed?
70.
New York, Peckham, Rudgwick.
I just got back from Marx's.
Is he?
Yeah, that's where we went last night.
Alright.
Okay. What's that? Isle of what? Let this car bust in peace or something, isn't it?